EXTC engineer. Then can you fix my TV? EXTC engineering, the most misunderstood branch. Today, we bust the biggest myth and reveal the truth. So let's talk about the myth and the reality. Myth number 1. EXTC engineer fix mobile phones and the laptops. Oh wait, let me tell you about the myth number 2. EXTC don't need coding at all. Oh, ever heard about the MATLAB, Python for DSP and HDL for VLSI? Okay, stop. Only an IIT and NIT graduates make it to the core jobs. What about this? Bro, in today's world, skills are more important than your college name, network references, and your get to go.